Hello Icons. In this video, you're going to learn about a strategy called I see, I think, I feel, and you will understand where to use it appropriately. Okay, so let's start. Thinking and writing using the strategy I see, I think, and I feel. You'll be very surprised, that these are three different things, and mostly we overlap these when we are talking to someone or when we are reporting something to someone. Seeing, thinking, and feeling mostly gets overlapped, and as a result, when you are writing, you are not very clear. So after you learn this strategy, I am sure that you will be able to think clearly and will be able to express it in a better way. What is the next slide? So let's try using this strategy with this picture. So what do you see here? Observe carefully. Always try to observe things from one side so that you don't miss out on things. So what do we see here? I'm just moving my cursor. You can pay attention to these things and keep observing. Okay? Now let's see what you have seen here. So what did you see in this picture? Your sentence could start with I see. There are 5 children playing volleyball. Okay. 4 are boys and a girl. The girl is hitting the ball. Okay, and the girl is hitting the ball to the other side of the net. A bird flying across. Okay, one of the boys looking at them, and 2 pair of chappals. Now let's see. Do you see a girl hitting a ball here? I don't see a girl hitting a ball. I definitely see a girl in the air. Her legs are up. And I think she has hit this ball. But when I look at this picture, I don't see her hitting it. So do you see there is a difference between hitting the ball and you think she has hit this ball? Okay. And another thing is one of the boys looking at them. Okay. The boy is looking at them. Correct. 2 pairs of chappals. I don't see 2 pairs of chappals here. I see 1 chappal and a pair of shoes here. Okay. So you have to be very accurate when you say what you see. Okay. So we pointed out one difference between seeing and thinking. You could be right, like, this girl has hit the ball, but in this picture, you don't see her hitting. You only see her legs are in the air, her hand is at the back. So maybe she has hit this ball. Okay? We don't know. And a crab is crawling on the ground. So I see a small crab here, but I don't see it crawling. So this is another sentence where you need to again question yourself whether you can see it or you think it is crawling. You are assuming, you are thinking, maybe it is crawling because you always see crabs crawling, or you are thinking that this girl has hit the ball, whereas in the picture you don't see her hitting as such, right? Now, what do I think about this picture? Now, let's move on to from seeing to thinking. And your sentence could start with, I think they are in a playground. Correct. It is a sunny day as it looks bright. All right. They are happy playing with each other. Correct. They are shouting and playing as we tend to do that while playing. The boys are on the other side of the net and are trying to reach the ball hit by the girl. What was the last sentence? I scrolled too fast. They are having fun and enjoying. Yeah, looks like they are having fun. So, yeah, I think so. They are having fun. Or maybe they are just pretending, I'm not sure. How do I feel about it, or how does this make me feel? So remember, feeling. Now, feeling will be about emotions. How does it make you feel? Does it make you feel happy? Does it make you feel sad? Does it make you feel excited? How do you feel about it is what we are going to see now. My sentence would be, so you can start your sentence with saying, I feel like playing like I did during my childhood days, like joining them and playing, that I'm missing those days. Happy looking at them, enjoying that children never feel tired of playing, that these children are playing less of such outdoor sports games these days. So this is from my side, not from your side. So you can tell what you feel when you look at this picture. So when you're discussing this in your class with your ma'am, you think about what does this picture make you feel. You don't have to write the way I have written. Okay? So let's follow the same strategy with the picture too. Remember what we did? What we saw, what we think, and how it makes us feel. Alright? Now look at this picture. Now with your ma'am, you discuss this in the class. I see, I think, I feel. I think there will be a very good discussion in your class. And take out your journals. And using this strategy, you can write what do you see in this picture. So I see, and you can write it in points. Then what do I think about this picture? Again, you can think and you can write about it. I think. The sentence would start, I think. And how do I feel about it, or how does this make me feel? So it makes me feel dash dash dash. So whatever it makes you feel, okay, write that. Now there are few points you have to remember always so that you don't get confused between I see, I think, I feel. Seeing is about when you talk facts, like when you're just talking about what you see. That is I see. I think is when you talk about what it could be according to you and have reason to support your answer. So for example, I can say those children are having fun. But what makes me think that they are having fun? Maybe they are just like, posing for the camera. I don't know. But if I say, I think they are having fun because all of them look happy, they look cheerful, they are smiling. So then your statement is reasonable, it is correct. And how does it make me feel, or I feel? You talk about emotions that you feel. Whenever you talk about I feel, you talk about emotions looking at the picture and again support your statement. So as I said, I feel, it makes me feel happy because all the kids are happy, they are enjoying themselves. I feel like having fun, right? And I should be able to support my answer by saying that they all look very, very happy. That's why it makes me feel happy. Alright? So I hope all of you enjoy this particular strategy in the class, and with your ma'am, I'm sure we have the model book and there are more exercises in that. So think about it and enjoy the activity.